Hello everyone, welcome back to TechWell Family. Today we are going to see about one of the concept in foreign key and most asked interview question. Let's go. So the interview question is: does my foreign key have a reference to a primary key in another table? The answer is no. Why? Because the foreign key can reference a primary key or unique constraint. Let's show you. So now I am going to create a two table. One table is a stuff type and another table is our stuff. Stuff type is having type ID, it's a primary key, and alteration ID unique key, and type name varchar. Now I'm going to create a one table created. And our stuff, the second table I'm going to create, stuff ID is a primary key, stuff name, not null, alternate ID, our alternate ID number, the constraint. I'm going to make a foreign key relationship between both tables. So constraint name and foreign key is my our alternate ID, and that is reference to stuff type table alter ID. Alter ID means that is unique constraint. See, that is unique one. So that is unique one. So now I'm going to create unique constraint. See, table created, there is no error. So that is why normally foreign key can refer primary key and unique constraint. If you want to check what are the constraints we user created, so we can check in the this is our user tables, user underscore constraint underscore column and user underscore constraint. Let's show you both table what are the data are presented. So this table, in our table what our column created and what are the foreign key or primary key relation details. Okay, the first column like our stuff table out our alternate ID foreign key. Remaining columns it will show and constraint name is showing, but we are not sure what is this constraint. So we are going to check user underscore constraint table. Here we can see that constraint name. We can see constraint type, that is a primary key or unique key or primary key foreign key relation or means foreign key. See, C means not null, not null, unique constraints, not null or unique or primary key or foreign key. Whatever data we can refer here. Thank you all. Thanks for session. And please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of interview questions and all your doubts. Thank you. Bye. If you have any query, please comment me. I will check and I will confirm you. Thank you. Bye.